How would you respond when a younger woman asks, "How old are you?" Many men falter with answers like, "I'm only 45, is that okay?" Or "I'm 50, but most people say I look younger." Or even, "I'm 55, but I still look energetic. I work out regularly and take care of myself." These responses come off as insecure and are an immediate turn-off, ending your chances of sparking her interest. Your age isn't the issue, it's how you handle the question that matters, and that will make or break the deal for you. If you know the right answer, or rather, the answers, to this question, it will up your dating game considerably with the charming young ladies out there. I've included some perfect answers at the end of the video that are suitable for any age over 40. You can use them as they are, so make sure you don't miss them. First, let's understand why a woman, or better, a younger woman, asks this question. In more than 90% of the cases where she asks, "How old are you?" she wants to find out if you're insecure about your age. Will your age be a problem, or will it become another asset of who you are? That's the very question on her mind at the moment. She's testing you for your self-confidence, your self-assurance, and above all, the maturity you naturally bring to the table at your age. The first thing you need to know is that she already knows you're older than her by your appearance and body shape. So, she's not interested in finding out your age to see if you match her or not. She's already made up her mind about you, otherwise, she wouldn't be with you asking you this question. Her aim now is to test the things she cannot see with her eyes. You should never let insecurity show in your answers. A woman recognizes these things in a man very quickly, and they never want to be with a man who is insecure or feels inadequate because of his age. It's as simple as that. What you need to do here is answer confidently and self-assuredly, no matter if you're 45 or 55. If she says you're too old for her, it's important to answer in a way that keeps her interested and attracted. But how to do that? Here's a quick 6-way method to assess her and the situation so you have your answers ready. 6. Women bend and break their own rules. Women have rules about age differences, but these are flexible when the right man shows up. Those rules can fly out the window if you can make her feel excited, confident, and special. She'll overlook the numbers. It's all about the emotional connection you make. 5. Timing matters. Don't reveal your age too soon. Women need time to warm up to you, they're like a clock face, not a light switch. Give her time to recognize your personality and charisma before you talk about numbers. Once she has fallen in love with you, the age difference is no longer so important. 4. Add 2 years to her guess. When she asks, "How old are you?" turn it around and say, "Guess. How old do you think I am?" She'll probably guess younger out of politeness. Add 2 years to her estimate. For example, if you're 45 and she guesses 38, tell her, "Almost, I'm actually 40. This keeps the conversation light and fun without straying too far from the truth. 3. Bait her curiosity. If she asks your age, say, "You're really close. How about I give a few clues, and you guess again later?" This keeps her on her toes and gives you more time to show your personality. Curiosity will keep her interested, and she'll talk to you for longer. 2. Playfully exaggerate. Exaggeration can be a funny way to deal with the question. If she asks your age, answer with a playful smile, "Old enough to be your grandfather, just kidding." but I've got a few more years under my belt than you. This shows that you're confident and have a sense of humor, which are attractive qualities. 1. Flip the script. Turn the tables. If she asks you your age, answer, old enough to know what I want. But what about you? How old are you? I need to be sure you're not too young for me. This puts you in control and shows that you're confident and picky. Then follow up with a compliment to keep things positive, but I have to admit, you've got great charisma. Bonus tip, frame it positively. Always phrase your age in a positive light. For example, I'm in my early 40s, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. These years have given me so much experience and perspective. This not only answers her question but also shows that you are confident and mature. Now compare these answers with the insecure ones I gave you earlier. I'm only 45. Is that okay? I'm 50, but most people say I look younger. I'm 55, but I still look full of energy. I exercise regularly and look after myself. These answers are brimming with insecurity and low self-esteem and are an unfortunate ticket to instant rejection. Many women have age preferences, but plenty are also open to older men. What matters most is how she feels about you. Does she feel that the age difference is insignificant because of the unique connection and attraction between the two of you? If a woman is persistent about your age, address it directly but firmly. Say something like, "Is age a problem for you? Because my relationships are more about the connection than a number." This will put the focus back on the relationship and not the number. The most important thing is that you make this connection. Don't answer the age question directly. Bring it to the date and say, "I want to see if I feel a connection with you." Then we can talk about our shoe sizes and the time we were born. Take it lightly. Finally, as I promised, here are some ready-made responses you can use to answer her question about your age. 1. Old enough to know not to answer that question. Say it with a smile and a wink, then change the subject. This keeps you in control and shows that you're not easily shaken, which younger women love. 2. Well, how much do you weigh? This mirrors her question and shows her how it feels to be asked something personal. It also keeps you in control of the conversation. 3. How old are you? I need to make sure you're not too old for me. This creates a flirtatious mood and turns the tables. It's about your demands, not hers. 4. Didn't your parents teach you not to ask personal questions? Say it with a grin, then change the subject. This keeps the conversation light and shows that the question doesn't bother you. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.